Hello friends, welcome to Suresh Aggarwal's Mathematics Shortcuts. Laws of exponents. This is a very important topic and forms the base of so many important higher topics. The laws of exponents are used everywhere wherever you have numbers, whether it is mathematics, physics or many other subjects, even subjects like chemistry, it also makes use of the laws of exponents. So if you are not good in the understanding of laws of exponents, the future topics are going to be a little bit of a concern. So we have to learn this topic, laws of exponents, with great amount of confidence. So let's see some of the questions of this particular topic. The first question here is simplify using laws of exponents and write the answer in exponential form. So you can see here the base in both the numbers is same. So the product law, a raised to power m times a raised to power n. See, the base is same, the power is different. What does the law say? The base remains the same and the exponents get added. So this is what I am going to do here. 11, the base remains the same and the exponents 7 and 4, they get added. So you can write it as 11 raised to power 7 plus 4, 11. So this is the exponential form of 11 raised to power 7 times 11 raised to power 4. Likewise, in question 2, you have to compare and find the greater one. So 1 square is 1 into 1 and then times 12, and the other one is 3 square, which is 3 into 3 times 2. So this is 1 into 1, 1 into 12 is 12. And what about this one? 3 3s are 9, 9 2s are 18. And we know that 18 is greater than 12. So this was obtained from 3 square times 2, which becomes greater than 1 square times 12. So comparison can be done when you expand the powers and find the answer as a whole number or an integer. This is the second type of question. Let's see another type, question number 3. We need to simplify and write in exponential form. See, when you have to write in exponential form, you don't have to expand the exponents. You just have to apply the laws. Here you can see that we have two terms with the same base, one in the numerator and one in the denominator. So what does the law say? Whenever you have a raised to power m and you are dividing it by the same base with a different power, then the base remains the same and the exponents get subtracted. Now this is the law I am going to use in this question. So here you can see 5 is the common base and the powers 6 and 4, they get subtracted and then multiplied by. Here you have a and a, so base a remains the same and the powers 6 and 4, they get subtracted, times we have b, where the exponent in the numerator is 4 and in the denominator it is 2. So I just combined by grouping them according to their bases, and therefore the answer for this question comes out to be 5 raised to power 2 times a raised to power 2 times b raised to power 2. You can write 5 square as 25. That will be more convenient and more appropriate. So this happens to be the simplified form of this expression. I used the quotient law here. Likewise, in question number 4, we need to express each of the following as a product of prime factors only in exponential form. So I need to write the exponential form again. So I need to make factors of 81 and then factors of 125, the two numbers given in the question. This is divisible by 3, which gives me 27 as the quotient. Divisible by 3 gives me 9 as the quotient. Divisible by 3 gives me 3 and then final 3. Here it is divisible by 5, so it gives me 25. Then 5 gives me 5 and finally we have another 5 which gives me 1. Let's write all these factors here. 81 is 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 and 125 is 5 times 5 times 5. So how many times 3 occurs? It occurs 4 times. So I can write it as 3 raised to power 4. And how many times 5 occurs? It occurs 3 times. So I can write it as 5 raised to power 3. And this is the representation of 81 times 125 in the exponential form. Likewise, we can have so many different types of questions based on laws of exponents. Let's have another one. This is question number 5 for this video. Write 125 into 125 into 125 in exponential form by taking the base as 5. So as you know, just now we simplified 125, and 125 was 5 times 5 times 5, and therefore it can be written as 5 raised to power 3. Now the question has 3 such 125s. So 125 times 125 times 125 can be written as 5 raised to power 3 times 5 raised to power 3 times 5 raised to power 3. And now I can apply the product law, which states that when the bases are same, the base remains as such and the exponents get added. So I can add all the 3 exponents to get the final result as 5 raised to power 9, and that is the answer for this particular question. Let's have another one. Question number 6. Write the following in expanded form. Now when we are asked to find something in expanded form, we have to expand the exponent. So this is minus 8 upon 5, the base, and we have to multiply that how many times? We have to do that 4 times because the exponent is 4. So I am writing it 4 times like this. And after that, you just have to do the multiplication because there are 4 negatives and 4 negatives make a positive. There are even number of negatives, they make a positive. So our answer is going to be positive. Now 64, 8 times 8 is 64, times 8 times 8 is another 64, and then 5 times 5 is 25, and then another 5 times 5 is 25. So you can multiply these two numbers now and get to the answer. 64 times 64. This will be 16, 1 carry, 24, 48, 49, 4 carry, and then 36 plus 4 is 40. So 4096 is the numerator, and the denominator becomes 25 times 25, which is 625, and that is the expanded form of this expression. So friends, practice the questions which are given in the detailed worksheet for this particular video, and I'm sure you are going to understand each and every concept involved in this particular topic of laws of exponents. Do share this video if you like it. Don't forget to subscribe the channel, and this is very important, clicking the bell shaped icon to get all the notifications on the channel. Thanks for watching this video and all the best.